Alright, good afternoon. My name's Steve Binyon with Marks Marine Incorporated in Hayden, Idaho, and we're on Hayden Lake, late fall in the afternoon. It's a little nippy out. One answers some questions that a lot of my customers ask. One of the main questions I get is, how do I set this thing up once I get it on the water? And so we're going to show you how to do that. I'm using an HDS 8. The 7, 5, and 10 also work the same way. The first thing we want to do is we want to select the transducer that we're going to use, and the way you do that is you press your menu button 2 times, go to sonar, right arrow, go down to installation, press enter, and keep going down, scrolling down, using your down arrow till you get to transducer type. Press enter and that'll open up all kinds of transducers. The one that we happen to use is the one that comes with the box, and that's the HST WSBL, the transom mounted skimmer. And once you select that, press enter and then save that, and that saves that transducer. The second thing we want to do is set up our colors. This is the standard color on the screen. We want to set it up for a little different color. Number 13 in the palettes is the color selection that I like to use, and most of the fishermen that I fish with use. So we're going to go down and select sonar options, press your menu, sonar options, right arrow, go to palette, press enter, and just scroll down till you get to number 13, and then press enter. Then exit, exit, and now we have our palette selected with a brown bottom and white background. I like this because you can see the fish right against the bottom in color. The next thing we're going to do is set our sensitivity and color line. On the 8 and 10 you can do that from 2 buttons right here, but on the 5 and 7 it's menu driven, so I'm going to show you how to do it through the menu. Let's press the menu. We want to turn auto sensitivity off. This blue button is highlighted right now. We're going to turn that off. Then we're going to go up 1 to adjust, right arrow, and sensitivity is right there. That's set at 99% right now, which is pretty solid. Color line I like to set at 84%. The reason I like that is we get a bottom line here that tells us whether our bottom is soft or dark. Once you set your sensitivity, simply press enter, and then you're ready to go. So that's how you do your initial setup.